Okay, so oh shit. All right, we're back testing. April, Loki fucked around a lot during March. After I said I wouldn't. Sorry. There's two things I want to focus on going into this session. Only two things. There's only two things I want to focus on. Like deep dive into. I don't want to deep dive into everything. I want to deep dive into conditions. So like, what are we respecting and what are we disrespecting? Why is it doing this shit, dog? Can I make this shit bigger? So we have conditions. What are we respecting? What are we disrespecting? We have premium / discount. So like EQ. So like ranges like this. Okay. Like where are we within that leg? Oops. Okay. And then 3. I want to combine the two. So if we have this whole, we can mark out this whole leg, and then we can mark out equilibrium. We can say, okay, what are we respecting versus what are we disrespecting? Are we in this discount, right? And are we respecting bearish gaps? Are we respecting bearish gaps in a discount where bearish is at its weakness? You know, are we going lower, or are we in a premium? Are we respecting these premium bearish gaps where bearishness is its strongest, or are we disrespecting these bearish gaps where bearishness will be its strongest, and now we're going to continue higher, you know? So yeah, let's go to this 1 hour. Oh wait, we are trending bearish right now. Get rid of ES. I'll get rid of ES. We can mark out range high, range low. So we are in discount of this range. We are in this 1 hour gap technically. Okay. 4 hour. Yep, we're in this 4 hour. Okay, I should have started off on this 4 hour, but we have. Let me get rid of this 1 hour gap real quick. This 4 hour range right here. We got into this 4 hour gap, and we go a little bit above it, you know, but we overall are respecting this 4 hour range. Okay, so we respect this range. So now our new condition, just going into time, would have been this new equilibrium and this new 4 hour. So if you wanted to be bullish, you know, we hit the equilibrium, we're in this discount, we're in this 1 hour. We should go up if we want to be bullish and take out these highs, or take out this gap, or take out those highs up there, right? But just from the looks of it right now, it looks like we are disrespecting it. Yeah, it looks like we're disrespecting it. So for sure, if this 15-minute gap doesn't hold, the next possible draw is this 15-minute intermediate low. Yep. So what do I want to see? I can mark out equilibrium from this leg to this leg. Alright, and I can also mark out, I will mark out a 30-minute gap just because there's LR built up. Okay, so I have this leg marked out, I have this 30-minute leg marked out. So we have two things we can do. We can respect this discount gap and this 1 hour gap and go higher. Respect this 15-minute gap that we're in. Go higher, disrespect this, disrespect the equilibrium point of this smaller range, and continue higher and maybe take out this 1 hour gap, or we can maybe retrace it to this 30-minute, respect it, and we go back into this premium of this whole like huge range and respect it. We can continue this trend lower. So let's see. What do we do? When we open, okay, and then we just go past this 15-minute gap. Okay, we blow past this 15-minute gap. We do hit our draw. I will mark out a new range high. Range high, range low from this accumulation here. What the fuck? So I'm gonna get rid of this 15 minutes. I'm gonna mark out a new range high, range low. Last draw is going to be this low down here, which it was previous day low. Okay. Oh, I didn't even check. Okay, fine. Damn, okay. Damn. Okay, so right now we kind of are just dumping, which I don't like. I want to retrace, which we get into this 5-minute gap. Just play price. You get into this 5-minute. You can mark out equilibrium from this leg here. The only problem is ES took out this low, which we didn't. I'm fine with taking a short as long as ES doesn't take out that low. You can see what we do from here. 659. Okay, we just hit equilibrium. I would consider taking this if 9 AM wasn't opening soon. 9 AM opens in 2 minutes. So this setup looks something like this. You could have your stop like above the gap, target that previous day low. You see we get stop hunted out. Let's go on the 15-minute. We have a 15-minute here. Let's see what we do. Or we could possibly sweep out these highs. So we have this accumulation. Sweep that out. There is just 1-minute inversion. So we sweep out this high. Stop hunt, sweep out this high. This is a 5-minute. Is this 5 minutes sponsored by anything though? Okay, it's sponsored by this gap tap up here. Well, the thing is, low-key, we're respecting this equilibrium from this range, and we're fat in discount. We have a very good draw though, which is this low right here. I don't like how discounted we are. I do want a little bit more of a retracement. Like, I would rather have the equilibrium type be here from that range. But let's see how this plays out. Okay, cool. So we got into this 15-minute leg. And then it's also, equilibrium is right there. So we got into this 15-minute leg. Let's see if you want to hit equilibrium or not. Boom, boom. Sorry. Okay, we hit equilibrium. And do we form a 5-minute? Okay, we're gonna form this 5-minute. If we inverse it, I'll enter. 2, 3. Okay, so how do I know if this 15-minute will fail that we want to see higher? This 5-minute holds and we start breaking past these highs. 25. Fucking equal highs, bro. Dog. No way we go lower with equal highs. Tell me these aren't equal highs, bro. That's equal highs. I am not wanting equal highs, bro. Let's take this out. Okay. And then we also have a PO3 aspect of it. We have this 9 o'clock open right here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Open. 9 o'clock opens. Okay. So what do? We get into this 30-minute. We hit equilibrium of this 15-minute gap. We have to go lower from here now. Nope. Okay, so we don't want to go lower. So what is the next condition? We have this 30-minute, okay? Do we have any liquidity? We have all this LR though. Bro, we never even took out our draw. What the fuck? Get this shit off my screen. Okay. Time intervals, okay. Okay, cool. I don't like how we blow through this 15 minutes. It's Monday too. the end of the session, dude. I'm gonna watch this, see how this plays out. Okay, we hit this 30-minute. Yeah, okay, then we go higher. Damn, we end up edging this low. That's crazy. That's price action for you. Remove 4 drawings. Okay. So ES already took out this high. Oh, we already took out this high too. Okay, never mind. Alright, so what is this high? It's previous day high. Okay, we took out this intermediate low right here. We're continuing bullish. Fuck, off of nothing. I don't like this leg. I don't like how we just inverse this gap. I mean, maybe this rejection block. I don't trade rejection blocks. But I can say that right now, if we want to take out this high up here, then we need to disrespect the equilibrium point here. So in this premium range, we have this 1 hour gap and then this 1 hour gap. So if these 1 hour gaps get disrespected, then we're gonna go with this. If they get respected, we're gonna go lower. Let's see. 15-minute, nothing, 5-minute. Okay, let's see what we do. Whoa. Bro. Oh, my computer turned off for a second. Boom. Oh shit. Okay. Okay. We can also mark out range high, range low from this point. SMT at these lows. Okay, we're in premium. We're in this bullish gap. Fuck, dude. We had this huge ass 1 hour right here, bro. But we hit this 4 hour again. We reswept out this low. This is lucky a weird place for price to be. Don't know if I don't know if I like this treatise. I don't. Shit, fucking done that shit. Okay, we hit this 1 hour gap. We're still bullish though. We're still in these bullish gaps. We have equilibrium right here. Let's see if we want to respect this gap. A little bit slow. Okay, we reshoot this low, hit the equilibrium point. What the fuck are we doing, bro? Okay, 9 a.m. opens here. Let's see what we do. Okay, we hit this equilibrium point. It's also the bottom of this 1 hour gap. We have all this LR and we have a 15-minute. Let's see what we do. We're in this 15-minute gap. Right here, we're in this 15 minutes. I like how we hit the equilibrium point of that. That's actually goated. 1 hour. Okay, I'll take this with the idea that we're respecting that 15-minute gap. We're in a discount. We hit the equilibrium point. Get rid of this 1 hour. Then I'll target. So we are in this 5-minute. Kind of are trending down too. Like, this was that 1 hour gap we were in. We respected it. So I will go for a 1-to-1 with this. Versus 5-minute. 5-minute, my break even here. First trade, let's see how this plays out. Okay, break even at this 5-minute. Can I go break? Wait, actually, yeah, I'll go break even. Cool. First dub. I wonder if we clear all this LR. We don't. Okay, cool. Next day. Damn! It's like a news day. 1 o'clock FMC. What the hell? Okay, I don't like how ES already took out these highs. So now we have this fucking huge ass SMT. Let's mark out equilibrium range. Wait, is this all-time high? Okay, it's not all-time highs. So we have SMT within this 1 hour. Sorry, not 1 hour. This daily gap. Okay. 1 hour. This is what it's looking like. We swept out these highs. Swept out these highs. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. 15-minute. Okay, cool. We're playing within this 15-minute gap. This is definitely a data high, right? Okay, no, it's not. We do create these failure swings. You can see we go high, high. Nope, fail to take it out. So how do I know if this 15-minute gap is going to fail? And this discount is not going to get respected. If we open, we go lower, right? We get below this gap, but maybe we retrace into like a 5-minute or something here. That 5-minute gets disrespected. And it continues lower to take out this data low down here. Okay, so how do I know if it's going to get respected? Go down into this 15-minute, or in this discount, deeper into this 15-minute. We have CE right here, probably have 5-minute, and we get a reaction, and we want to go higher. The only reason I don't like taking out this high is just because of that SMT. But let's see how we play. So open, go lower, instant reaction. What do we hit? Okay, we just hit this equilibrium point. Do we have an inversion or anything? We have an inversion on the 30-second. What I don't like is how we close above this high. Yeah. Okay, so now we've just hit the equilibrium point of this 15-minute gap. Oh, it's also a 30-minute gap too. So that can potentially be a new condition. Now we actually have a good spot to go lower. We re-swept out this low, and now we have an SMT. Let's see how this plays out. Oh, and we disrespect it. Okay, so now what does that mean? We probably want to go lower to this data level. Right here. Data level, right there. And the thing about these data low trades is that they usually just flush. Like we get very shallow retraces. That's what I notice. But right now I'm not bullish at all. Okay, yeah, see, like, we get like no retracements and we just dump. 1 hour. I'm just taking out this low. Price action is very odd. I don't like the way price action moves, to be honest. Let's see what we do. Okay. Oops. Shit's weird. Shit's weird, bro. Shit's weird. Okay, so we sweep out this low. Let's see what we do for sweeping out this low. Okay, so looks like we're going higher. We can mark out the equilibrium range from there. So my theory is we took out this external range, and we could possibly look to retrace the internal, meaning this 15-minute gap, and delete this range, possibly equilibrium point. And actually not even equilibrium point, just that 15-minute gap. Let's see what we do, bro. All I have is this equilibrium point marked out. No, there's no PD arrays with it. Decided we hit it. And we respect it. Oh fuck. Okay, I could have caught trade to that maybe. Okay, that would have been W ass trade. And we sweep out this lot too. Here, go for a 1-to-1. Which gets hits. Gets hit. Okay. I wonder if equilibrium from this gets hit. So we can mark out equilibrium from like this swing high from open. Don't get into that equilibrium range yet. Okay, now we get into it. What about the range high from here? It's right there. Let's see what we do. Okay, where's 9 o'clock? 9 o'clock opens right here. Oh. Or how do I know if this will fail? We can take a continuation. Like, what is this move continuing from? This range right here. Or sorry, this sweep of this low. I'll mark out range high, range low. That's what it looks like. Wait, it doesn't look like from right here. Okay, let's see how we play out of this 5 minute. Okay, that's good. I prefer this move now. Then, so we respect this 5 minute and this discount. We have equilibrium up here, so I bet you we're going to go to that equilibrium point, or maybe take out all this LR. We don't get into that point yet. Damn, hold on. Oh, I marked it out wrong. Equilibrium is right. What the hell? Go up. Okay, equilibrium is right there. Okay. So, we're respecting this SMT. We didn't get into equilibrium that this 15 minute gap is holding, and this 15 minute gap. We aren't in a bullish. We are not in premium. Damn. Why does my computer keep turning off? So, how do I know if we want to take out these lows? Maybe we can look for like a retracement from here to there or some shit like that. Or we can just take it out without retracing, you know. Okay, so we took that out. And then that's the end of that day. Hang on, bro. I'm gonna mark out range high, range low from this. Whoa. Okay, you can see that right now from this range high, range low, we are in this 1 hour gap. If we want to respect this 1 hour gap, then we have I draw to this low. If we want to disrespect it, then I draw will be this high. Pretty simple with this one. We also have this range right here, so we can mark out like a 30-minute gap. So this would be a 30-minute gap, and then we can mark out the range high, range low right there. Let's see what we do. Oh, it's also data low, easy shorts to data low. Okay, we're in this premium. We just swept out these highs. If we don't go lower, and we have SMT, then we don't want to. If we don't go lower from here, then we don't want data lows. Yeah, okay, we don't want data lows. So the next draw is going to be this high. Boom, boom. Okay, we tap into this 5 minute, just no discount. Oh, put in a Ferguson, so we failed to take out that high. And we're accumulating. 9. Okay. No news this day. 9 o'clock we open here. Okay, we take out this intermediate high and we're in premium of this range. We have an SMT too, like without ES is failing to take out those highs. Okay, no, we want to go higher, We'll mark out range high, range low from here. Okay. So what got respected here? This 5 minute gap that was in this premium to those draws. After taking out this draw, what's the next draw? We have high here. And then of course that high up there, but that's probably gonna be it, dude. Okay. Now I'm just going to wait to see what we do. Because the silky buns, we have equilibrium, we can mark out equilibrium from here maybe. 5 minute, and it's a 15 minute. We hit equilibrium up this range here. I also want to see how we cut out of this range from right here. What is in here? There's a deeper retracement. Let's see what we do. Okay, I'll enter this just because of how we respect the equilibrium point from there. 15 minute gap tap. Let's go for a 1-to-1. Okay, actually, hold on. Where is ES? ES hasn't hit these highs yet. What's our draw higher? Low-key, I don't like how he swept out these highs. I'm gonna fade this. Easy fade. I was looking at. I applied a little bit of discretion there just because ES, we have an S&T at those highs, and now we're just kind of long into an abyss. If I do want to go long, I want a equilibrium top from right here. But you can see, I think maybe I'll feel comfortable like like when we're in premium. What the fuck? My computer keeps turning off every time my desk hits my chair hits my desk. I would feel comfortable logging if we're in premium. If we had a draw intact. We don't have a draw intact, so I definitely want to wait for this equilibrium point just for more confirmation. And then that's the end of session. Cool. Next day. Okay. We can mark out range high, range low from here. We have this 1 hour gap. And then we can also mark out range high, range low from there, or you can mark it out from right there. We have an intermediate high here. So if we respect this, because we do have a good draw intact in the hard time frame, being this previous day high, ES, hopefully ES didn't take it out. Yeah, ES equal highs on ES. So I'm not really worried about going into equilibrium here, just because we still have the higher time frame draws intact. This looks like a higher time frame A&D. Like look how we open for Asia and London. We just accumulate, manipulate lower. We're in this 4 hour, 1 hour, and this 15 minute. Looks like we're probably in discount for this 15 minute. Wait, oops, I said that wrong. It looks like we. Boom. Okay, so I want to see us go lower maybe before going higher, or we can just shoot up higher. And then there's a data high up there. We're just gonna rip up. Watch, we're gonna rip up. Told ya. Told ya. So now, oh my gosh, are we just gonna fucking rip? Low-key, I might start trading like pre-market and all that other shit, bro. Dude. Okay, we take out that higher time frame draw. We're bullish as balls, dude. I am not shorting this shit. We're bullish as fuck. Boom. Boom. Okay, we have equilibrium. I want that equilibrium tapped before even long. Okay, equilibrium tapped. I guess now we can like wait for a mech. Or if you want to go lower and take out all this LR, this intermediate low, in response to this, in sponsorship from zooming out those highs and previous day high. But I want to see like maybe a 5 minute get restricted here and then continue lower. 14, 15. Okay, so open up a 5 minute right here. It's 5 minute. It can be sponsored. Let's see what we do. Okay, if we, okay, Now we're actually in a really good spot for longs. We reswept out this low into this discount. We have a 5 minute gap. We have a 5 minute gap above. And then nope, we don't respect it. So now it draws at these lows. Okay, the fuck? We have a 15 minute right here. Mark out. Okay, we fucking failed to take out that high. And then, what time is this? 9:30? So from 9:30 to 10, we just continue chopping. We hit this gap. I want equilibrium tap to wide because you guys already took out this level. So we already don't have any grip on draw. So waiting for equilibrium would probably be the best option for me. Or we could possibly just go lower. Okay, cool. So took one trade. Looking to fucking up my risk, bro. Gosh, bro. This is but I want to skip this day, but I will mark out my range high. Range low. 1 hour gap. Oh, it's not even a 1 hour gap, I bet you. Not even. Okay. We're in this premium range. We have this accumulation overnight. I want to see it like an A and D. We have this intermediate low. Let's see what we do. So we swept out this level. So we're in this premium. We're not in any P raise in my opinion. But we respect this. We have all these highs above. And we're not in discount. Let's watch, bro. Wow, this plays out. Or does it? Let's see. Got into this discount. Let's see if this plays out. We still have this higher time frame draw intact. Wow, okay, this doesn't play out. So you get stopped here. Like I said, I want equilibrium tap. I mean, like, we're in premium, we're not in any P to raise. We do have the draws above. Okay. So, let me get rid of this. Potential shorts, okay, we've swept out this high. We are in premium too, so we have 5 minute, we have a bearish 5 minute gap in this premium. I think in order for us to have manipulation, we need to manipulate lower into this intermediate low. So we would kind of be trading the manipulation leg of this AMD, but we're in this premium of the premium. Let's see displacement lower, dude. Low-key. If I'm trying to practice my discretion, I'll try this out. One minute, 2 minute, low key. I'll wait for this 1 minute close right here. Bro. Okay, so it's gonna look like this. Holy moly. Break even is gonna be that equilibrium point. Damn! Oh, I did enter before 9. Okay, 9:54. Okay, we retap this. Let's see. Yeah, I'll enter here. Because we respect this premium again. What was newer? What was our newer conditions? CE. Yeah. Let's see. Ooh, did we hit the equilibrium? I can't tell. I'm gonna say we did, and we got that SMT, so this is a valid break even. Go break even, bro. Okay, fucking drag you. It must be higher than an entry price. Why can't I not just have a fucking break even? What the fuck? Shit's pissing me off there. Come on. Okay, break even, please. Bro. Gosh. Stop loss must be higher than the entry price. Nigga, it is. I'm just gonna keep you right there. Okay, so that was one break even and one loss. Let's think of why this lost. Well, I was trying to trade in the manipulation, like we are QAing like a motherfucker. This entry right here, like I like the displacement, I like how we took out this high. The cons to this obviously is we're entering before 9 AM because here's 9 AM open. 9 AM is the candle that literally sweeps me out, and then we get this reaction lower. So there was a spot for manipulation lower, which we got, right? And then this one, I actually like this entry much better. Why do I think this got break even? Well, we did have this SMT. Price also isn't moving clean, so that's another reason to go break even, is because of the way price is moving, and then we hit the equilibrium point. So yeah, I like that break even. I like the second trade better than the first trade. First trade, I was just practicing my discretion. Let's see how we move from here. Okay, so you get stopped out. What do you do this day, bro? Okay, what the freak? We go lower. We're in equilibrium. Take out the intermediate. Okay. Oh yeah, easy longs. Easy longs, and if we get this 5-minute inversion, easy ass AMD, bro. We're in equilibrium. We just hit this discounting range. Whoopsie, whoopsie, whoopsies. We just swept out this intermediate low. It's fucking easy long. If we're 5, come on. Trying to close but I'll take it. I like how we took out this low. 1-to-1. Let's see. Order. Break even at that 5. Break even at that 5. Okay, 2 break evens, because I'm a fucking queer ass nigga, bro. 2 break evens, bro. That's so brutal. 2 break evens and 1 loss. But day. See, okay, now we're definitely gonna complete this higher time frame. Man. Oh fuck, he has already took out these highs though. That's what I don't like, is he has already took out these highs. Okay. Well, fuck it, to be honest. Fuck yes. We have an hourly gap here, and an hourly gap right there. We've already tested this hourly gap. We do have the draws available. Like, we still have good draws above higher, so waiting for this equilibrium type wouldn't be so bad. The only cons to this is obviously ES when we took out these highs, so we don't have an agreed upon draw. Let's see how we play though. Shorts, I don't know if I want to short against this aggressive move higher. I mean, we have a 15-minute gap. Let's see how this moves. Whoa, April 17th? What the fuck? Okay, this is definitely like a fucking bank holiday. Fucking... Bro, what is going on? I'm just ripping up. Okay. Well, at least we're fucking out of the range now, dude. Shit. We have these draws up here. Pretty good draws. Okay, we have this intermediate low here, and then we have equilibrium from this range high to this range low. That's that. 4 hour, 15 minute. Damn. We're okay. I'm gonna mark out this 15 minute because. Okay. I'm going to explain my thought process on this. So we're obviously stupid bullish, but we can zoom out, scroll over to the left. The only draw we have left is this high over here, which is from this high, fucking, 50 points away, okay. And we are pretty overextended, okay. Equilibrium is down here, taking out external. We probably could retrace the internal. We've built up some failure swings. So my condition will be this 15-minute gap. Obviously, if we blow through it, then we want to go higher to those highs. We respect it because it's also in the premium, and then we want to go lower. Let's see. Bruv. Or we can take out that fucking low too. Oh, shit. Oh my gosh. Okay, bro. Okay, this is premium. Okay, we hit this 30-second, or sorry, 15-minute gap. If we want to go lower, now's the time. Nope, we want to go higher. Wait, what the fuck? Hold on. What is this playing off of? I don't like how we just ripped past this 15-minute though. Fuck it, bro. Do I take it? Because it does look like an AMD. But we're so bullish, we don't respect this 15-minute. Like, we actually blow through it. So what is my key level now? This failure swing? Is this going to be a failure swing? I don't know. I'll fade this for now, but of course it plays out whenever I fade it. Okay, now we've taken out this intermediate. We have equilibrium down there. Okay, we've hit this equilibrium. Okay, that's pretty aggressive. Okay. Round 9. Okay, we're about to hit this fucking 5 minutes. 5 minute. We've just hit this 5 minute. We're very bearish. What are the draws lower? We have lows here. How do I know that we want to go lower? This 5 minute, because we retraced into it, just sends us lower. Because we need to get above equilibrium. So this 5 minute, we're still in this discount, and it sends us lower. Where premium is strongest. Then we don't want to go higher. We have lows here. Okay. Let's see. Okay. I need to fucking. Bro, I'm not about to have another no trade week, dude. Okay, bad. I'm just gonna start entering a discretion. As long as I'm using equilibrium and conditions. Fuck, dude, we took out these fucking draws. No, I'm not taking this. I'm not taking this. I'm not taking this. So we've already taken out our draw. A draw. Pretty good draw. I mean, we did retrace into equilibrium. Did get some displacement. And you can see we create those failure swings. We don't take it out. We're gonna start entering discretionally now, because this is fucking moving my dick and balls. Alright, we're trending bearish, clear as day. We have lows here. Very easy draw. Very, very, very easy draw. We have this intermediate high. low-key, I don't want to see price go higher. Well, we kind of have to low-key. Because I can mark out equilibrium from this range on it. So my condition is honestly going to be this intermediate high. I want to see us interact with it, and if we disrespect this gap, we're going to go to these highs. If we respect it, we're going to go lower. Let's see what we do. Boom, boom. What else do we hit? Oh, we also hit these 5 minutes. So we have this equilibrium range from here. Tap into this, shoot out these intermediate highs. Lucky a goated inversion. So I guess this could be like a continuation maybe. We do have good draws. Like look how we reject, because we have this range here. Get into the premium, take out that high, so we do manipulate higher. It's just how protected is my stop. And we have an S&P and those are, you know what, YOLO. YOLO, Steve. YOLO, YOLO. Let's just see how this goes, bro. And then we're gonna target, damn, lower here. Because now those highs are, that high is S&T. Oh shit, there. Let's see how this plays out. Hello? Oh my gosh, bro. This shit is so annoying, bro. Oh, I never even entered. What? Okay. So if we go over the cons on this, what are the cons about this? Well, number one, what's our PD rate? A fucking 5-minute intermediate high. But it's an SMT with that hourly intermediate high. We get into the premium of this range because we've already hit premium of this range here. We respect it. Now we get into premium of this range and we're respecting it now again. So that's my thought process on taking this. Bam! We get fucking destroyed. Okay. Let's see if we hit this intermediate high. We do hit this intermediate high. And then, nope. We end up wanting to go fucking higher. Okay. So how do I know that we want to go higher from here? Actually, I'm marking out from right here. Mark out equilibrium. What the fuck? Mark out equilibrium from right here. Get rid of this. We're in premium now of this whole range. We just have discount and our PD is 1 minute gap. What the fuck? Oh, we tapped into a 5-minute, okay. I'll take a displacement entry, bro. Okay, we retap this 5-minute. Now what about this 5-minute, like, is better? I want to see an EQ or this fucking boom. Okay. I mean, if we just start going lower, then we're probably just going to go lower to take out these lows in line with the trend. Fuck, dude. Okay, we're fucking accumulating, dude. Can we fucking do something? Okay, we're not gonna do anything. Session's over. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Okay, we hit this 4 hour. We hit this 4 hour. I'll work it out from this range. Boom. It's actually a really good range. I like this range. We take out these highs. If we want to go lower and take out all these, this LR, then we need this inversion, dude. I want this 5 minute because whoa. Oh, I could take this mech right here, low key. Let's just pretend I fucking missed my entry. So break even is gonna be right here. Target all that. Okay, so this is my break even now, this 5 minute. Or should I just go fucking break even discretionary? Discretional. Do I expect this to go higher after we hit this CD? We're going lower. I don't like how we reject from this 5 minutes, so yeah. Oh gosh, dude. Fucking 4 break evens, dude. 4 break evens are losses. Okay, so hey, okay, my draw is correct, dude. Fuck. Nothing's more painful than my fucking draw being correct. But it looks like we ended up going higher. Retracing from this finger to this level. And then we deliver lower. Okay. Draws are these lows right here. I will mark out the range high range low from right here. From the top of that accumulation. Cons, I don't like how ES took out this low already, so we do have this SMT that is inside this 4-hour gap, okay? So how do I know this SMT is going to hold? Okay, we have this up here. We can mark out premium discount that we are in this 15 minute. Is this a 15 minute? No, it's not a 15 minute. It's a 5 minute intermediate low. So if this holds and we deliver higher, then yeah, we want to go to those highs. That is my thought process. Boom. Oh, I don't want to take an inversion. Bro, I don't know if I want to take an inversion or an entry at 1 o'clock, or at, sorry, 1 minute into open. With not the best bar. We have equilibrium above there. Okay. Okay. We have a 5 minute right here. Where are we in? Okay, we're in this hourly. Okay, and then we don't respect this, we don't respect this hourly, so now the draws are all of these highs. So since we have that draw, we're respecting this SMT. I'm not really worried about an equilibrium top. Let's just see if you want to fucking go down into anything at all. Like at least a 5 minute. Okay, so we get a 5 minute tap. Let's see how we play out of this 5 minute. Bro! Do I take this, bro? Nah. Okay, bet we got this low. Bro, no, 9 o'clock is opening soon. I'm gonna wait. 9 o'clock is opening soon. Come on, just go lower. Okay, we just put in another Fair swing with an SMT. Fuck's sake, dude. This is so annoying, dude. I can't find shit. Come on. Can we fucking retrace these, bro? take this shit. I'll take this shit. I'll take this. My stop like right there. Break even at this intermediate high. My gosh, bro, this shit is annoying. Fuck! There he opens. Nigga, we don't fuck. Okay, you know what? Short right here. Just take this fucking neck. This. Okay, what are we in, dude? Shit. Like, why do we not respect that? And there's premium of this 4-hour range. We got into this 4-hour up there, and we ended up respecting the 30-second inversion. Got this displacement. Fuck it. Enter. Oh my fucking gosh, bro. Replay to this date. Track this shit. Or log it, bro, because I'm not. Hello? Fucking gosh, bro. Okay. Okay. Break even is this 15-minute gap, which we hit. Alright. Weird. Okay, we have premium of this swing high to this swing low. We're lucky already above it, and we got no reaction out of it. So my condition is going to be a 30-minute gap right here. Because if we respect this, then we're going to want to go higher. I mean, like, we're trending pretty bullish. Because we're in premium, we get down lower, we get back into the equilibrium of this point, we get into this 30-minute, and we end up respecting it. Send the draws intact, but he has already hit them, so I'm fade. Cool. If I wanted longs, I want it from here to there, which we hit. Okay, we hit this equilibrium point. We have a 15-minute gap down here. The only way I know we'll go higher is based on how we play off this, but we reseal these lows. That would displacement, bro. Okay, cool. Now this is better accumulation. Taking out all this LR, we have LR built up here, we manipulated lower. How do I know that we're going to go lower instead of higher? And just respect that SMT. If we fucking rebalance. Okay. Gosh, bro. Fuck. Okay, we end up respecting this. We end up respecting this. Okay. Let's see how we play from here. Okay, you know what? We're not just gonna fucking do shit, I guess. Oh, new 15-minute opens. I don't want to take this 5-minute though. I don't want to take this 5-minute. 13, 14. Nigga, what the fuck? Okay, now we're gonna take out these draws. Can we retrace? Retrace. What about here? Here. can inverse this, I'll take it. Okay, because now we're respecting this equilibrium point from this 5-minute gap. We have an SMT at these lows, and then we have these draws higher. No break even, bro. Okay, now I go break even. Whew. Yo, probably could have held to all of this too, but it's fine. Okay, that's a fucking insane break even. This is an insane break even trade. Oh, never mind, we hit it. We hit it. Look, boom, boom. Okay, could have held to that, but I held to this. It's okay. So let's look at why this worked. What are we playing off of? You can see we're playing off this. Whoa. This 1 hour gap. Oh, we low-key disrespected. Never mind. But going off of shooting on these lows. We did have lows down here, but why didn't we go for them? Well, because our condition, if you just zoom out, new condition would have been maybe equilibrium from here to there, which we hit. We don't go lower from, we don't respect it, we end up inversing all this. Okay, so now we can set a new condition because we inverse this 15-minute. We have a new equilibrium point from here to here. We have 5-minute gaps here. If we hit it, respect it, then we go higher. If we disrespect it, then we probably go lower, and we're probably going to chop too, because now it's going to be a fucking battle of high resistance versus high resistance. Oh shit, my girl. Fuck. Where's my phone? She called me 2 minutes ago. Let's do one more day. We can finish it up this week. Alright. So what could we possibly be targeting now for this day? This high? Ooh, this high up here. Why? Because we have SMTs at these lows. And we've been delivering higher from it since. So now our PD rate is going to be this hourly gap. Our condition is going to be this hourly gap because it's also in discount. I want an equilibrium tap because this move higher from here isn't delivering off of anything. We can zoom out where, oh fuck, daily range is accumulating like a bitch. We just have SMTs at these lows, which isn't the best just because there's no good key level. This would be the key level. So I want equilibrium tap of this range. Let's see what we do. Boom. So we shoot out these lows. This is a 15-minute intermediate low from these lows. Wait, I think it's an hourly too. 30 minutes. Okay. Let's see what we do from these lows. Go lower. Cool. Okay, cool. Now we shoot out this low, and we're in equilibrium. And let's see how this higher time frame draw. We do. The higher time frame draw being this high, we still have that intact. So let's see if we want to go higher from here. We do. Look at this inversion. I like the displacement. I'm gonna enter here. I'll just target all of this. Break even, because the thing is about these trades is they usually just flush. So where's 1-to-1 in this situation? 1-to-1 is right there. Okay, cool. My higher time frame draw was there, but let's see if we hit that. We do. Damn. Okay, that's fine. Let's look at reasons why this worked. Equilibrium conditions. What was our equilibrium point here for this there? What was our condition? This hourly. It worked. We had a 30-second inversion, which is my entry, and then boom, it plays out. Oh, my girl's calling me. Hello?
Are you awake?
Yes.
Did you just wake up?
Yeah.
Okay. Can we go to the gym now?
Yeah, are you coming to my place?
Yeah, I'll come now that I know that you're up.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
See ya. I told her I was napping. I was backtesting the entire time. Okay. Now this looks like dog shit, dude. This looks like dog shit, bro. 1 hour looks like shit. Just because of the way price is moving, I'm gonna say that we probably want to go to this level. I don't even know what condition to set. Maybe we want to go to these levels. I don't fucking know. I don't like the way this looks. ES is respecting this 1 hour. 4 hour. We have a 4 hour gap up here. So if I had to mark out like a range high, range low, we have equilibrium from here to here. Even then, this 4 hours not even the premium. 25th of April. What is going on this day? Nothing. Low key. Yeah, this is a fucking fade day for me. I don't know what condition I can set. Oh shit. Okay, there's probably this one right here. Okay, it's fine I missed that. Oh. This actually isn't a bad trade, dude. Break even right here. Oh my gosh, I just missed that. Okay, that's fine. Let's see what else. Okay, 930, 936, we're just accumulating. Mark out the new range high, range low from right here. Obviously, we're in this 15-minute. Mark it out from this leg, because we played off of this leg. Ooh, we never take out this low. Okay, we want to go lower from here. I want equilibrium tops. Then we flush lower. Where's my inversion? 3 minutes. Okay, I'll take this. Target this low. Actually, since it's close to end of session, I'll target this low. Whoa. Break even, I don't have a break even. I mean, I guess once we start getting good displacement lower. Oh my gosh, what displacement lower? Oh my fucking gosh, bro. So my draw was correct. Okay, why didn't this play out? Let's think of reasons why this. Well, I'm entering late into session, obviously. Because we got stop hunted and then we got fucking ran. I guess there was no proper stop hunt. Like here, like it's just a high. It's not inside the gap. I don't fucking know. I'm looking fucking on my win rate by entering on this bullshit. Okay, I can see a hard time from AMD. With this equilibrium point, there's our draw higher. How do I know we want to go higher? You see, we got this intermediate low here. Or we could possibly respect this. We have this SMT, 30 minute, 5 minutes. Let's have this intermediate low down here too. Let's see what we do. I think we're trying to fucking run up. Oh. If we get the inversion. Yeah. enter here. I'll put my stop right there. 1-to-1. Easy peasy. Dog. Okay, look, watch. I'm re-entering just because I know how this bullshit is, bro. Oh, fuck. Why did we go lower? I keep getting stopped on it. Is this not a valid stop on it? I'm so confused. Like, look how we super this. Oh, it wasn't the highest time for inversion. Okay, that's unavoidable. I'm lucky speedrunning this shit before my girl gets here, bro. Cause she's just fucking 5 minutes away. It's Friday. Bet. Last shit of the day. Where are we going? This high here. Okay, this is easy peasy. Easy draw right now. That high. Mark out equilibrium from this window to this window. I'm probably gonna run up that high anyways. Okay. Okay, where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? We have this range high to this range low. We hit the equilibrium point. 5 minute. Oh, we have a 5 minute intermediate low. Right here. I want a reaction off of this. No. No, 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 no. Fuck you. Okay, we still have that high intact. Oh shit. I want this 5 minute intermediate hit, dude. Okay, we're creating these 30-second failure swings. Bro, I want that 5 minute intermediate. I don't like how we're just leaving these lows, bro. Oh my fucking gosh, bro. Alright, let's see what we do from here. Can we retrace it to center of equilibrium? Like here? Bro, can we fucking retrace, bro? We're done this session. Let's see how my April looks, bro. I'm gonna keep fucking this. Okay. L month, dude. This looks good, but like, let's break it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losses. Oh, it's like a fucking 50% win rate again, dude. Fuck.